Okay, what I've done, I've gotten these in, and these are the HR tailgate lower frame repair sections. Now I will show you. They come, I get them so they're just dead straight, nothing special, dead straight. So I make the bolt hole recess and I weld them in so they look very close to being like this. And then I round the edge off so it's not as sharp, and then I will be making this corner section here. So that's a job for tomorrow, making this section here up top and bottom. Mind you, the bottom's not very good on that one. And then we will measure the distance out to weld the corners onto here on that. So that's what I've done today, and that I will be getting more of these in, and that I've left a bit of meat on the back as well, and that to give it a little bit of extra strength. So yeah, this one is basically getting closer to being done. So tomorrow we'll do 2 more of these up and that, and do another one, and then I'll just wherever I put it, my little tool over here, gotta redo a little bit of weld there because it's not quite the right shape like this side, so I gotta fix that up tomorrow. And then we will be making another cutout section that like this, so then I can put it through my little press over there and just press a bunch of them out. We also have done one door corner. I have a couple more to fold up. Another one falling down on the floor there. So yeah, so that's it for now. Cheerio.